Hey guys, it's raining, bloody raining, and I was in the greenhouse doing some stuff, and it started raining. Look at that. Dang. And I'm getting soaked. Not that soaked. Hope I don't drop my phone in a puddle. Dang. Ah. Yeah, it was pouring hard. You should have seen it. I posted a video on my Facebook, but I think probably gonna upload it on ENunn too when I get home. But yeah, it was raining. It's raining hard, and I'm going back inside. I don't want to get soaked. I think it's starting to pour harder now. It was hard, and then it kind of stopped, and then it's hard again. Actually, I'll feel it over here. It's not that bad over here. It's not that bad over here. Ugh, my hair's wet. Yeah, it was just raining hard. Y'all should have seen it. Anyway, guys, see you later. Peace.